close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is CorieTips Johnson, and if you're just coming in, you're welcome. I'd love you to stick with me, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Today I have for you a mint green with a touch of purple makeup look. I wanted to do something kind of bluey, and this was where I landed. I hope you'll be able to create this look as well. How's your week been so far? Mine has been interesting, and I'd love for you to stay with me on this journey. I love you so much. Thank you. Starting off with my spoolie just to brush my brows in place. Then I'll be applying pond's all over my face as primer. Then I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, brushing it on with my small angle brush, and then I'm just going to apply that to my brows. And then I'll be contouring my brows with my LA Girl concealer in beige. I'm just going to apply that on my brows and define my brows. And then smoothing it out with my concealer brush from Coastal Saints. And then I'll be using this color from my Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. I'm just going to blend that into my crease with my blending brush from Coastal Saints as well. And then I'm using that purple color from the same palette on top of the first transition color. And then I'm just going to keep blending, making sure that the blend in together, just to give like an undertone for my blue. Then I'm using this blue, it's quite rich in color. I'm just going to apply it on the same spot, but spread it out more evenly this time and blend properly. You don't want any ash line going on anywhere. And then I'm using this precision brush from Real Technique. I'm just going to use that to apply some concealer at the center part of my eyelids. I'm going to blend that all the way down just to create like a base for my next eyeshadow. And then I'm going to pat on some powder to make it a bit mattified, because I don't want the eyeshadow creasing, because you know they have like a creamy product underneath. And then I'll be applying like a mint green kind of shade from the same palette. It kind of applies like it's blue, but I'm going to just keep dabbing that at the center of my eyelids, and making sure that I blend the edges where the purple and bluish eyeshadow meet. And then I'll be using this bright color from Morphe's palette to highlight my brow bones. And then moving on to my Black Up Power foundation. Y'all know that this is the foundation I usually use. Aside from maybe, I don't know which other product that I have. I have a couple of products in my box, but this is my go-to foundation. And then I'm going to use, I used the Nutmeg color earlier, and then now I'm using this darker shade for my contour. I'm going to contour the side of my nose, my head, and then apply an highlighting shade on my T-zone area under my eyes to cover some dark circles or any marks over there. And then to my cupid bow and then my chin, and just start to blend. Blending is quite some work, guys. You have to be patient to blend appropriately. I find it like the hardest part of applying makeup. I don't think I'm that patient, but I'll try. So you want to make sure that you blend all the way to your jawline. And then I'm using my Sacha Butter Cosmetics powder I like this powder. It's quite soft, and I'm just going to use that for the highlighting areas and then blend all the way. And I'll be using this BH Cosmetics eyeliner in black. It's so lovely, easy to apply, and that's it. And then this Silky Smoothe pencil, I'm using it to line my waterline. And then apply the same mint green underneath the waterline. That's the black area that I just shaded. Also pick that purplish color and put it under as well. And then to my Maybelline powder, I just love this powder. It gives me a matte finish. I'm gonna keep using it. And then my Maybelline Mascara is quite old, but it has a lot of product in it. And let's go on. Okay, to my bottom lashes as well. And then you guys can see the name on this powder, but this is the Maybelline powder in cacao. I always love this powder to mattify and also contour the contour areas. And then I'm using this blush palette from BH Cosmetics to blush up my cheekbones. And then I'll be using my e.l.f. highlighter. It's so lovely. I love the rose gold finish. And then I'm just going to brush that on the highlight points. Are very necessary, you know, but I don't think you really need highlights for an everyday look. And then to my cookie brow and my chin. And then I love this brown pencil from Zaron. I didn't keep the name in my head, but it's right there on the screen. But it's quite brown and it just gives me a very natural line because my lips are quite large. And then I'm using this lip gloss from BH Cosmetics. I love it. And yeah, the look is finished. I hope you guys love it. I bet you can create something a lot better or even smoother than what I have done. I would love for you to give a thumbs up and give some comments below and subscribe. Thank you so much.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.